Welcome back to your daily mini meditation. Today we're going to be meditating on the principle of gratitude. Gratitude is an extremely powerful emotion. It has the power to physically change the structure of your brain. The more gratitude that you are able to cultivate within your own life, and within your own mind, and even your own body, the more peace, joy, and happiness you will have the capacity to experience. To begin, make sure you are seated in a place where you are not going to be disturbed. You're comfortable. You're going to be sitting upright, and if at all possible, you'll be sitting up under your own power, not leaning on a backrest. Going to gently rest your hands on your lap. We're going to have your attention shift to your breath. You can keep your eyes open for the next few moments with a soft gaze, not focusing on anything specific. Just allow your gaze to stay soft and unfocused. Now taking a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And another deep breath, slightly deeper, slightly more satisfying. And exhaling as slowly as you comfortably can. And when you get to the very bottom of that exhale, your eyes will gently fall closed and they will seal comfortably as you come deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now pulling away from the sensations of your body, focus on the ebb and flow of your breath. The building of the inhale and the release of the exhale. Feel yourself settle into a state of pure relaxation. And in this state of relaxation, you're going to allow yourself the pleasure of reflecting on things that bring you joy. Simple things. It could be the smell of the breeze, rain in the morning, a brisk evening, conversations with friends. The more simple and sincere the joy, the more powerful this exercise will be. Allow that feeling of joy, of gratitude for those positive emotions to overflow from those thoughts. Allow those thoughts to melt away while the emotion of joy and happiness and gratitude remains. This emotion and these simple bits of happiness can be easily found as you strive to appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. They can supply the joy and gratitude that will build and grow. They will give you the momentum to be able to make it through even the toughest of days and situations. Gratitude is at your fingertips. The power of gratitude and the happiness that it brings is building within you. Allow it to grow. Cultivate it. And now coming back to your body, take note of your sensations. Take note of the weight of your body on the surface that you're seated upon. Any sounds or smells around you. And go ahead and open your eyes. You've purposely cultivated gratitude within yourself today. Carry that momentum with you throughout the rest of your day and your week. Great work today. We'll see you back here tomorrow.